And we were getting questions about, do I work for the lubricant company that I'm speaking of? Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I want to talk a little bit more about the lubricant that we use on vinyl dual pane windows. We've done a video in the past and we were getting questions about, do I work for the lubricant company that I'm speaking of? This is just the lubricant that we use. We get this online and we just like it. It's a dry film lubricant. When I say use a dry film lubricant on a vinyl window, it's so that way you don't have a petroleum-based product getting shot onto the vinyl frame itself, which would seem like a quick fix at first, but WD-40, the actual blue and yellow can, is a great product, but it attracts dirt, it attracts dust, and it makes that turn into more of a paste. It makes it harder for that window to actually slide. WD-40 is a fantastic product if you want to unlock a rusty bolt, or you want to prevent rust altogether. You spray a little bit of WD-40 on there and that's going to fix that. But when you're talking about a vinyl replacement window, I'm very specific to dry film lubricants. Make sure that it's a dry film lubricant. I don't care if it's this or something else. Just make sure it's a dry film lubricant. The reason behind that is because it doesn't attract the dust and dirt and turn it into a different paste or something to make that window operate horribly. So dry film lubricant, as long as it says dry film lubricant, make sure on the back it says that it's okay for vinyl and you're gonna be in the races. So I'm saying this because I've dealt with customers who've put WD-40 on a window and we had to go in there and degrease everything and then put a dry film lubricant on the window. So again, I'm not endorsed by these people. I am simply wanting to make sure that if you're looking for the right lubricant, I'm telling you it's going to be a dry film lubricant. That's going to be the best for your vinyl windows. Hope this helps, hope this clarifies. Any questions, always go into the comment section and leave a note and I'll respond. Thanks guys. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.